Now, being Athenians children, we too are challenged and encouraged to share the gift of reconciliation to the people who did wrong to us. Now that we are in this situation wherein we are restricted and limited, we are asked to just stay in our homes. We cannot go to church and receive the sacrament of reconciliation. We are all the more challenged to make this sacrament present even in our homes and in our virtual classroom with our online classes, and even when with our family members. We are encouraged and invited to always give the gift of reconciliation to these people, especially those who did wrong to us, and of course, for those whom we also have hurt. We ask for forgiveness constantly to God for our wrongdoings, and we also ask for forgiveness to those people whom we have hurt and whom we have been unloving, because we are called to grow up to be a loving and forgiving person. Now let's take a minute, children, to look into those unloving actions that we have done for the past days. And I'd like you to express your contrition to God in prayer. So this is like having a sacrament of reconciliation, except that we don't have a priest, but you are going to have a sacrament with God. Okay? Now on your CLE notebook, I'd like you to answer or ask yourself that question first. Spend a few moments of silence and ask that question. What unloving actions have I done the past days? And express your prayer of contrition to God. And write all of these in your CLE notebook.